Hello. Okay. Let us get this party started. We're gonna do a little slope review for this for lesson 4.02. Um, and then we're gonna talk about how to find the equations of lines using, but we're gonna use the practice problems from the actual curriculum. So, let's do a quick slope review. Okay, um, so slope, what is slope? Slope is the steepness of your line. We're talking about straight lines on a graph, also known as linear equations, right? Linear equations. It's also called the rate of change. And it's how fast your line goes up or down. So those are just like some basic understandings of what slope is. What we see slope look like the most is called rise over run. And what that equates out to as an equation is y2 minus y1 x2 over x2 minus x1, which we're going to talk about. So what is y2 over, or excuse me, y2 minus y1? So that's really talking about the change in y, right? And then x2 minus x1 is talking about the change in x. I love how those make straight lines. It just like, boom, makes a straight line. And what that means in terms of that equation, okay, is actually, what point is this? This is 3, 0, and this is 0, 2. So that's the equation of those lines, or excuse me, that's the ordered pair of those lines, right? That's your xy value because it's an ordered pair. And so your rate of change is going to be, we're just going to do this right here, is going to be 0 minus 2 because, right, you have the value of y minus the value of y over the value of x minus 0, 3 minus 0 over the value of x. So, right, so the value of x minus the value of x. So x1, x2, y1, y2. Let's go ahead and highlight. And the thing to keep in mind, okay, is that I did them in the same order. So like this was equation 1 and this was equation 2. And these 2 points are from equation 1. And these 2 points are from equation 2. I should have done that backwards. So it doesn't matter which one you would have put as long as they're from the same, whichever point is first is from the same ordered pair and whichever point is second is from the same ordered pair, okay? And what you end up with, I didn't even finish it, 0 minus 2 is negative 2 over 3. And so the slope which is m, right? And you can find that in your equation, in these two equations, is the change. The reason it's negative, this is just a lot of information. The reason it's negative is because the slope goes like this, right? If a line is going that direction, it has a negative slope. Oh, you can't see that. And if a line is going that direction, it has a positive slope. That's really far away. That's why my handwriting is so bad, because I'm left-handed. We're going to move this one down. We're going to put that one over there so that you can see it. Okay. Come on. Come on. Did it stop working? So let's see. Hang on. Does it work? Nope. For some reason, my pen stops talking to my tablet sometimes. So, or my tablet stops talking to my Zoom sometimes. So if this has been 6 minutes, I'm going to pause this anyway. That's your slope review. I'm going to do the next problem. I'm going to do example 1 in another video.